Well, well, well. How very thoughtful. Plane, train. Mountain, fountain. That might be something. I think I'll try the silver. Sausage, bicycle, toothpaste, beach. Wait a minute. Beach. Beach, that's it. That's it. I can find I need a cold.
It's a sunny Sunday and I'm under. All the chains my happy is done now. Catching the wave of another. This easy life. I never thought that I could ever get my life to wonder. Feel like a watch the banana come back. Like it's all too true. Thinking it's spending on a Sunday. Lately my favorite is staying the cool.
That's my sheriff's phone. Hello? Junior? Junior, is that you?
Oh, hi guys. Are you in a tunnel? This isn't a very good line.
Junior, where are you?
I'm in Paradise. I just got in Cloud 9 and here I am.
Junior, listen to me. You've got to come to the island of Sodor right now.
Now? I'm waiting on the perfect wave.
Oh, no, you're not. You're coming here. You have to help me find the source of all our family's gold dust.
What is the source?
That's the trouble, Junior. I haven't a clue.
But I've used up most of my gold dust too.
What? Then go to Shining Time Station first. In my signal house, in the box, under the staircase. You'll find my emergency whistle and the last of my supply. Please take care of this, Junior, and don't talk to anyone about the buffers.
What buffers?
Shh.
This is a really bad line. Hello? My cell phone's not working properly.
Junior, you've got to come here right away. I'm counting on you.
Hello?
Come on, be back.
Shining time? What does that mean? Do you want me to get out here? Where is everyone? What have you brought me here for? I'm Lily. Who are you?
See you, Junior. Can I drop some sunglasses knocking on you?
I don't know.
My name's Vegas. You wear this stuff. See you, Lily.
What is this stuff?
The magic's gone. Why did I take my gold dust for granted? I can't have without my gold dust. What is the source of my gold dust? Is someone there? Thomas, is that you?
Mr. Conductor! Mr. Conductor!
Thomas?
Mr. Conductor, where are you?
Thomas? How could I possibly say that I'm really useful now?
Excuse me. Are you Lily? Oh, hi. I'm Stacy Jones. I'm manager here. Your grandpa's very upset. You must have gotten on the wrong train. I better take you back to Muffle Mountain. Thank you. Stacy, did you know my grandma? My mother did. She said Tasha was a wonderful dancer. I think Grandpa liked to call Grandma Lady. Lady? Yes, I heard him say that name when they were talking. I wish. Oh, never mind.
Too early. Get busy.
Stacy, I'm a little nervous. Well, maybe your grandpa is too. It's been a while since you've seen each other. Hello, Burnett.
Stacy. Hello, Lily.
Hi, Grandpa. Well, have a good evening, Burnett.
Nice, Stacy. Good night.
Stacy, you said I wish. I wish? Oh, yes. I wish you'd come back and see us tomorrow, Shining Time. If your grandpa lets you. Dear Grandpa, this is a friendship bracelet. Grandpa taught me how to make one when I was little. This one's for you.
Thank you, Lily.
I said I can't dance, but there I was dancing. I felt like friends.
As the sound of Lady's magic echoed through the night on Muffle Mountain, the engines on Sodor had her very much in their thoughts.
Thomas, I was thinking, how does Mr. Conductor travel here? By gold dust. Well, if there's a lost engine, maybe there's a lost railway too. Mr. Conductor's railway. The journey gets bumpier and grumpier. That's what Mr. Conductor told me. Oh, he talked about buffers in his sleep. Buffers are at the end of a railway. I think that's how we travel here, on a secret railway.
Belonging to the lost engine. Percy, you are clever. My wheels are suddenly feeling very wobbly. I think Diesel's around here.
I'm sorry, you do. Diesel heard every word you said. I'm going after him to see what he does next. You better carry on and get the mail delivered.
Oh, you're very brave, Toby.
Oh, Diesel won't bother with an old engine like me. He thinks I'm really useless.
I'm working on the railway all this long day. Who wants to work a long day anyway? There he is. Come in, and join the party, Sludge.
We're gonna have a party. Yes, who's got the balloons?
Correction, join the party, that's over. Just like Winkletoe's Magic Railway is gonna be over. Gone, like a lost engine and the buffers that lead to it.
Oh, what are you gonna do? Oh, yeah.
It's time to finally put Twinkletoe's lights out.
Oh.
This is a job for the boss!
I got delayed. I got distracted.
There's the old people! Smash him!